If you want to share your Google Calendar via text, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it, step by step. Sharing your calendar link is a great way to let someone quickly view your schedule, whether it's for work, family planning, event coordination, or just making it easier for someone to stay updated. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account that has the calendar you want to share. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look toward the top right corner and click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the full Google Calendar settings page. On the left side, look for the section called Settings for My Calendars. This area shows all of the calendars tied to your account, including your main calendar and any other calendars you've created. Select the calendar you want to share. Make sure you click the correct one, especially if you manage multiple calendars. After selecting the calendar, scroll down until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. This is where Google gives you different links and embed options for your calendar. Here, you'll see the calendar link you need. Depending on how you want to share it, you may see a public URL or an embed link. Copy the appropriate calendar link carefully. If your goal is to share it in a text message, the calendar link is what you need. Once the link is copied, open your messaging app on your phone or computer. This could be Messages, iMessage, WhatsApp, or any app you normally use to text someone. Start a new message, then paste the calendar link into the text box. Before you send it, double-check that the link pasted correctly and that it looks complete. Then choose the person you want to send it to, and tap or click Send. That's it. The person will now be able to open the message and access the calendar link directly. Depending on your calendar sharing settings, they may be able to view the calendar or just see the link information you provided. If you want to make the calendar easier to use, you can also add a short message explaining what the link is for, like who it belongs to or what events it covers. And that's how you share a Google Calendar via text, in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.